doing?
B-roll.
Man, a piece of your hunk of bread.
No, this is my hunk of bread.
Own a pair of socks.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my Martin.
It's not a hovel, it's a home. I'm here on the roof, totally for aesthetic purposes, and not doing chores for my parents. And look at this monster. This elder is bigger than the house. This bit is huge. Fruitful. So now we're yard work buddies. Me and the elder.
Past the fourth turn by the barn where Mrs. Fallman lived till she passed on. There is a cottage by the lakeside where fairies.
Welcome to D20 dinner.
One again.
The rules of this game are simple, my friends. You roll a D20 to pick the section of the grocery store. You roll again to pick the side of the aisle. You roll once more to pick the section, and then once more to pick the item. You do this until you've received 5 ingredients for your mysterious D20 dinner. This evening we've played the game, and the ingredients we ended up with are this. I don't know what we'll do, but tune in next time to find out. Welcome to D20 dinner.
One again.
Welcome back. We've returned to our outdoor kitchen for the creation of this meal. We've decided to sear some watermelon pucks and create a sloppy Joe type mixture with the Diet Cherry Dr. Pepper, mango chunks, bread and butter pickles, and vegan meat. It's called Dr. Sloppy Water Pucker, and this is what it tastes like.
Did you just puke? Yes. Do you feel better?
Like a fun fever dream.
Like a fun fever dream. I sell pronoun pins, and this is how I make my backers. I like to use cereal boxes or whatever thin cardboard boxes my friends will give me. Disassemble those, and then I stamp them. This job used to take me about 3 or 4 hours because I would hand stamp each one with a lino block I carved. Now I've got this stamp. This whole process took a half an hour. I'm reusing materials, I'm creating cute packaging, and I just saved a whole bunch of my time. So go check out the pronoun pins on the shop if you'd like, forestroll.com.